only drop counts when you're in a drought. Oh, gracious. Maybe I should call a plumber.
Did somebody call for a plumber?
Technically no, but are you qualified?
Of course I'm qualified, chum. I got a hat with the wrench embroidered on it, don't I?
Well, I guess that makes you qualified.
Now let's see here, let's see. Tap water, just as I suspected. Mac, you got a leaky faucet.
I know that. That's why I need a plumber.
Right you are. Just taking measurements now. The technical nature of this job cannot be understated.
Hey, do you even know what you're doing?
But of course, I would have had it if you didn't break my concentration. Lucky for you, I have a plan B. With this here camera snake, I can survey the inside of your pipe in high-res detail. Okay, let's see here, let's see. Are you aware there's a ton of hair in your sink?
Oh, heavens, I had no idea.
This is the ugliest clog I've ever seen!
Is it bad?
Oh, it's very bad. I gotta get in closer. Good gravy! I've never seen anything like this! Well, the bad news is, there's a brain in your pipe. The good news is, it's really small. Pipe this bag got to go!
Is all this procedure necessary to get rid of a
You can't make an omelet without breaking a few bones, I always say. Oh, and, watch your head, Mac! Don't you ever flush? Enough is enough! I'm going to shut that lousy leak off at the source!
But the main water supply is out back.
Yeah, I know where I'm going. The fella doesn't realize all professional plumbers know where the main water supply is. That ought to hold it.
Oh, that duck better hurry. I'm wasting gallons by the minute. Where was that screwy duck?
Hey, I'm back! How's it going? Did I fix the leak?
No, you didn't.
You did try turning the knobs, didn't you?
Oh, of course I did, you bird brain!